Take a look. This is my hair. Yeah, so it's working great. Check it out. It's blowing. I'm blowing my hairs. So yeah, this thing's working great. Now, the question is, can we make it move around? Let's try that. Let's see if we can figure that out. Here it is. See? Look at my hair. All right, so let's check it out. Let's go to oscillate. Okay, we hit oscillate. And I don't know what's happening, not too much. There we go. Now look. Now we got some movement. So when you click the oscillate button, it does move. And I don't see any controls on here. So I think it's basically just on the oscillation. So when I press it again, it stops. I press it and then it oscillates. All right, so I think that's it right there. I think we figured it all out. And that's the Amazon Basic Fan, man. Check it out, ladies and gentlemen. Get it right here on Amazon. This thing's very inexpensive, I gotta say. Peace out.